Greetings, this is Kevin, and I'll be doing our regularly scheduled Tip Tuesday video today. Due to some recent inquiries about IndySoft's ability to send out emails to customers regarding the coronavirus, I decided to do a quick video on how this can be accomplished with the software. As normal, you could use the alarm system to set up a standard report, either with a message or simply a blank document that is attached to the email the alarm system sends. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I thought I would focus on a more direct way of doing this with our software. You can do this with a project script, and that project script can be written to handle this task pretty quickly and easily. And unfortunately, not everyone has the access to create these project scripts or the abilities to write them, so I'm going to provide you with a quick way to implement this option with just a few quick steps. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is go to our website and then select Customer Portal, log in, and once you get logged in, you'll click on the Help Desk option, and which will bring you here to our knowledge base articles and our Tip Tuesday articles as well. So if you go to miscellaneous, and you'll see an option here for send informational emails to customers. Click on that, and you'll see some instructions here on how to do that, which we're going to go over real quick. The first step you'll want to do is download this customer notification zip file. So we'll click on that to download it. Once that's downloaded, you'll go to the software, and from your home view, you'll go to Export Import Module, and you will select Import from File. Click Next, and then you'll go out and get that file you just downloaded and open. Okay, this is you can preview what you're going to import. In this case, we're just going to import a script project called Customer Mass Email. Okay. And we're going to import that. Alright, so that's imported. The next thing you want to do is just create a quick link to launch it from your home view. So with your home view displayed, you'll right click, go to Edit Current Layout, select that. And I already have a link created here, but I'll create another one real quick. Customer email notification, and I will select that, and then under hyperlinks other group here, we're going to go down and find the equipment project option and just double click on that. Okay. And you'll see here that the hyperlink is equipment project and equals project name. We're going to go to the hyperlink, and here we are going to put in the name of that project, which is CUST Mass Email. Okay, and we'll click OK. Once you've added that, you'll click Save. And we save that, we'll close it. Okay, so now we have this customer email notification link. All you have to do is click on it. And of course you do have to have emailing set up for the software. That all has to be working beforehand. Well, let me cancel that. Next thing you'll need to do is go into your layout builder, and you'll need to create an email layout. So here we have email layout selected, and I have this email here that I created with a little message about the virus and how you're handling it, so on and so forth. Okay, so you'll create that, save it. Then you will launch this project again. And first step you'll do is select your email template. So I'm going to select the coronavirus email template. Email subject, let's see. Put in any subject you wish. At this point you'll notice that we have a test email button, so we can click that. You can put in your email address to test it. IndySoft.com. That's going to send it to me. Click OK. The email is sent. I should be receiving that momentarily. Yep, and there's the test email. Okay, so that's what it'll look like. I'll go ahead and delete that. Alright, so you'll see here that we give a count. It gives you a count of how many records or how many companies are going to get emails, and this is due to either, if they have email addresses or not, they're not going to qualify, or if they're inactive, they're not going to qualify. So I only have 3 companies in my system that are active and contain email addresses. So at this point, all you have to do is click send, and it's going to send out 3 email addresses. All of them are addressed to me. All those 3 companies, they're addressed to me. So click OK, click cancel. And these emails should be coming in shortly. And there they are, 1, 2, and 3. So that's a quick way to send out email notifications to your customers. That script, if you have the ability to modify it, you can do so. That's just sort of a working example of one. And if you wanted to, or you had the ability to modify it, you could go to Add Edit, System-Wide, and Script Projects. And you just open up this customer mass email script. You may not have the abilities to do that, but if you do, that's where you can modify it. So that concludes this video. Hope it helps, and you guys stay safe and have a good one.